Hey guys, I'm Kyle, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to add products into your Shopify store. So let's get started. So here we are in Shopify, and from here, in order for us to add a product, we need to click here on the products on the left side of our screen. And from here we can see all the products in our store, and in my case I don't have one, so let us add a product by clicking on add product button. So from here, you can manually add a product right here. You can manually add a title, description, media, and whatsoever right here. So let's go with a premium black sunglass just for an example, and you can go with the description. Actually, you can use the generate text for here. You can go for premium sunglass, color black, maybe something like that, and it would generate a description for you. If you want it to be easy, then you can just use this right here. And then as you can see, we now have this description. And yeah, the next thing is the media. You can also upload pictures of your product, or even videos. You can also upload it right here. In my case, I'll just upload this right there. And now I have that, and then you can upload more if you want to. So you can upload new, and I can upload this too right here. And now it's uploaded just like that. And now you can also set the price right here. So let's say the price is around 15, and then compare at price is something lower, so I mean higher. You can go for 50 just like that, and you can charge tax on this product. So make sure that you consult to your tax advisor on this one, or if you should disable this, because it would depend on your area, on the tax regulations and stuff. And the cost per item, the profit, and the margin, here you can just set it up right here. So yeah, after that is you have the inventory. You can track the quantity if you enable this right here. So you would have the shop location and so on, but I prefer not to, so I'll just not track that. And for the shipping right here, you can indicate the weight right here. So this would be necessary for your shipping. So make sure that you get this correctly. And you can also add more custom information if needed. And you can add variants like color, size, material, and style. For example, color, we can add black right here. Black right there. And then we now have black. And then you can also go for material. You can go for metal right there, and so on right here. You can add as many as you want, and then you can set the price for variants right here, and so on. And then the next thing is you have this SEO. You can also edit this, and then from here, as you can see, you can edit the meta description, the page title that you'd want. So this is how it would look like when you search for it in the search engines like Google, Bing, and whatsoever. And now that we're done with this one, and you can also change the URL handle, by the way. The next thing is this one right here. So make sure that the status is active if you want it to be selling on your website or your store. And next thing is a product organization. So this is basically the tags, the product type, the vendor collection, the tags right here. This is where you would be able to customize that. And the theme template, if you have a theme right here, then you would have some options right here. And now once you're all done, you can now hit save, and now it would now be added into your store. And yeah, now that you have added that product, let me show you the second way on how you can add a product right here. So let's say you are moving from a new store. So what you can do is you can click here on import, and basically what this can do is that if you have an old store and you want to import a product from the old store, then you can just add a file right here. So what you want to do is export it from your old store right here. Click on export products, and then you would be able to use it in the import and just import the exported file right here. And then you would be able to see the products here automatically. And then the third way of how you can add products is you can add apps. So let's say you are drop shipping. So you can use CJ drop shipping for that. So yeah, you would be able to import products from CJ Dropshipping, from Deezer, Zendrop, and so on right here. So you would need apps for that. So that is basically it for this video. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.